Hola, buenas tardes. Soy Gordon. I'm in Guadalajara in Spain, and I've been living in Spain for 10 years. I've been learning Spanish for 25 years, and I've been teaching Spanish for 15. And I'm going to answer one question that I'm asked over and over again, which is, how long does it take to learn Spanish? So I'm going to ask you a question back. The question is, what do you want to do with your Spanish? What's your Spanish for? Because there are 3 answers to that question, would you believe? I'm going to give you answer number 1. If you want to speak Spanish so that you can go into a restaurant and order something to eat, you can go into a bar and have a beer, or you can just say hi to people as you go into shops, etc. The answer is, you need 6 to 12 months, more or less. That'll give you what you need. If you want to have a conversation with Spanish people, Spanish speakers, and you want to be able to talk about what they did yesterday, what they're going to do tomorrow, ask them questions, have a nice chat with them, then we're talking 3 to 5 years of learning Spanish. Not too bad, eh? Not too much of a big investment. Answer number 3, and this is the one that you mightn't like. If you want to really speak Spanish, if you want to speak Spanish and command Spanish like you do your own language, the answer is the rest of your life. That's how long you're going to have to spend learning. Why? Because it's never ending. Ask anybody who's really dug into Spanish and said, I want to learn this and really command it. They discover that as they go, the more they learn, the more they realize that they don't know. The more people they speak to, the more accents that they come across, the more they realize that it's a challenge, and it's a challenge that's going to last for the rest of your life. And I know, because I'm 25 years in, and I still have problems every now and again. However, I'm going to leave you with my 4th comment, and it's a one that you might like. You might have to spend the rest of your life learning Spanish. It might take you forever. You might never get there. But I promise you one thing. The journey will be fascinating. The journey will be so fulfilling that you'll never regret it. If I have to spend another 25 years perfecting my Spanish so that on my deathbed, I actually can say farewell in Spanish without making any mistakes, I'm prepared to do it. It's a hobby for life. Hobbies don't go away. They're there all the time. So stick with it. Decide on what it is that you want to do. And even if it's just to be able to order a beer and order a meal, start there. Give yourself 6 to 12 months. And I bet you, if you stick with it, you'll get the gusanillo and then you won't be able to stop. This is what happens. Short term, medium term, long term. And we're here to help you on that journey in Lightspeed Spanish. Así que, muchísima suerte en este viaje tan interesante. Hasta luego, adiós.